Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will talk about how to get comfort on camera. So as you can see, this is my first video and I have only 8 subscribers right now, and I have started this YouTube channel for helping you guys to grow your YouTube channel and get financial support from different kind of digital services like freelancing, online business. So before making this video, I was thinking that how I can talk with one camera, because of maybe hundreds of thousand people will see this video later days when it's older, but how to react. So this is totally not in my control. So what's in my control? How I can make a videos like very professional, very frankly, very smartly, and because I nothing gorgeous, because I am sitting on my rooftop right now and it's a morning. So good morning everyone. So just uh, comes in my mind that just make a videos. You don't need to show off your Lamborghini. You have and what you know and what you want to provide, just expose yourself. So don't need to be a comfort on your camera, just make a videos, and one day surely you will be very confident, definitely. So make a 30 days plan. uh, Open your camera and talk something what you love and what you do. So if you have a professional skills, you can deliver your services. And if you are a college student, no problem, show your daily lives. So it's all about the video, nothing else. So I just open my camera and just shoot this video right now, and maybe it will get some loves or it will get some hates. Two things, like love, hate. So either you will get two things, and this will happen because of this world is not only for love. This world for both hates and love. So haters and lovers always there. So don't cares. Just post your videos and do your job. Okay. So have a good day.